I just generated this custom track in Gemini for my wife's birthday, and it took me seconds. Let's have a listen to it.
I remember back in college days, felt that spark, Sheridan. 23 years later, you're still the queen of my heart, Sheridan. Happy birthday, girl, on your big 40. My love for you is still so strong, shorty. Through all the ups and downs we've
Okay, no one needs to see me dance. Let's get back to the video. If you're still wasting hours scrolling for generic royalty-free music sites for your business, this is going to be an absolute game changer. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Gemini's new model to create custom music and share ways you can start using it right away. Let's get into it. Okay, to get started, first we're going to head over to gemini.google.com. You will need a Gmail account to access this. Then what you will see is you'll see create music button here, and then also you can get to it under tools and click on create music. We're going to start off with that track I played earlier, but create a different version of it for Sheridan's birthday. So I've got a prompt that I've put in here, and what I'm also going to do is select R&B romance. Again, they give you a few templates you can start off with, or you can create your own track from the beginning. So I'm going to make sure I click on Pro as always, and then hit submit. And that will start working in the background. And there we go. Here is my track. Let's give it a listen to and see what it's come up with this time.
40 years, you're shining like a diamond star. Still the queen you've always been, no matter where we are. Back in college days, I knew you were the one for me. And 23 years later, our love's still history. Oh, Sheridan, my love for you is deep and true. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do for you. Happy birthday, girl. Ooh, yeah. You're my...
It gets better and better each time I prompt it. It's even added in some rapping as well. That is really good. Okay, let's go into another use case. I'm going to click on new chat. I'm going to select music, but this time I'm going to upload a image of me from the gym this morning. Oh, let me just get that. I've got my image here, but this time I'm not going to select a template. I'm just going to put this in, create a motivational hip hop soundtrack for this running image, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it's created it, and you could use this for a range of images. I mean, I could have selected a better image. So say, for example, if you were standing on Tower Bridge, it could make up a track based on that image as well. So let's see what it's come up with for this one.
Yeah, another day, the grind is calling, pushing past the point of feeling beaten. Yeah. Every single step a declaration, I'm breaking through the ceiling, new creation. No.
I might actually use that when I'm struggling to run in the gym next time. Again, that's from a simple one-line prompt, and it's been able to create that. Let's try another prompt out, because I've done one for my wife, I've done one for me. I can't leave my son out. So again, I'll click on new chat, then I'm going to select create music. And this time I'm not going to use a template or an image, just literally a prompt. And this one is going to write a lullaby for Zeke for when he goes to bed. I'm going to select Pro on this one, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, I promise no more dancing on this video. You've seen enough of that. Let's see what the lullaby comes up with.
All your Hot Wheels drove so fast today. Now it's time to park and play a sleeping game. Close your eyes now, Zeke, and dream so deep. Your little racing cars are going to sleep.
There you go. I'm going to play that tonight, and I'll let you know if it made bedtime any easier. And then finally, just another use case is, say if I wanted an instrumental for my YouTube intro, I could do that. So let's try and do that. Please create a instrumental that is lo-fi for my YouTube channel intro that is about Google Workspace and Gemini. I need no lyrics in this one. So that's what I've done there. And I'm going to select music and then hit submit. Okay, and my track's being created. Let's see. But you get the idea. You could use this in a number of ways. Yes, I could sit here all day creating fun music for my wife or my son or any other random picture, but how does this actually help your business? Well, it will save you time hunting around for royalty-free tracks. You can put a prompt in and be specific of what you need it for, and it will generate it. But here are 4 ways I think you could use this today. Number 1, workshop transitions. Generate upbeat professional instrumental clips to play while attendees are joining your webinar. Number 2, podcast branding. Create completely unique intros and outros for your podcast so you don't sound like everyone else. You're going to have to be really specific with the prompt to make it real different. Number 3, social media. You could use it for your voiceovers or your short video forms that you might post on Instagram, TikTok, you name it. And number 4, tech tutorials. You could generate a subtle track to play underneath your B-roll or even your intro on your YouTube channel. These are just a number of ways you could use this to speed up your content creation. But let me know, out of those use cases or any ideas you have, how might you use this in your business? And if this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.